All right, this hoteling model is a really important one to understand the median voter theorem. It also helps us understand a lot of monopolistically competitive markets, and we often talk about product varieties we use spatial analogies to talk about product varieties, much as we do about candidate positions on issues. But here we're talking about candidate positions on issues. So let's go through these one by one. When April is positioned at A naught and Bob is at B naught, where's the one? Okay, here's the one that has both A naught and B naught. April will attract more customers than Bob. And remember the premise of this model, we're along a mile-long beach, and people are evenly spread all along, and people are just interested in buying ice cream from the nearest vendor. And so here, these people right here between A naught and B naught will go to the will go to either one, but everybody else is going to go to the closer one. And since there's more people closer to B naught, Bob is going to get more customers. So A cannot be true. B, let's think about B. The Nash equilibrium would change if all the customers to the far right of the beach moved halfway toward Bn. So where's Bn? Okay, here's the one with Bn, not Bn prime. So here we are. And so here, if we're still in this world where they're all evenly spread, but if half of these people, or if all the customers to the far right moved halfway towards Bn, well, they're still on the Bn side of the spectrum, so they're still going to vote for Bob. It's only if they switched over to be on the other side that they would change anything by voting for the other candidate. So, so B is also false or not true. The next possibility, let's examine that. Beachgoers that never buy ice cream would have no effect on the position of the stalls. And that's simply not true. By not voting, the people take themselves out of consideration. So remember, the game is to get the most customers. Well, by not being customers, they're out of the race. And so the median voter shifts to the right. And so these people not voting actually change the nature of the discourse by shifting where the median of people that actually vote are. And in American politics, we know that young people disproportionately don't vote, and we know that poor people disproportionately don't vote. And it's no accident that in the U.S., the candidates on both the major parties kowtow to older people and to moneyed interest. A lot of that is also because of the way campaigns are financed. Anyway, so C is not true. People that don't vote absolutely affect the nature of the political discourse by becoming irrelevant to the people making that discourse. All right, and then let's hope D is true. When April is positioned at A1 and Bob is at B1, where's A1 and B1? This is on figure 4 and 5 only have A1 and B1. So April's at A1 and Bob's at B1. April will attract more customers than Bob. And exactly, A1 has got many more people near April than to Bob. So she's going to get more customers. So this one is true, and the answer is D.